sounds like a woodpecker.
We shag in Savannah. Have you ever shagged?
I have shagged, but it means a completely different thing.
I got Botox for the first time on Tuesday, right here.
You ever eaten a football?
Come out here and get yourself some of this here milk.
What's the mic?
Our next star performed.
Be one with the cape.
Ow! You're gonna stop grabbing my wobbly bits. We're gonna have us an issue.
We've worked real hard up to this point, and to be quite honest, I don't want to quit. I want to keep going, and because we are the
Wow, that was so Vanilla Ice.
I could snap your sternum with my forehead in 1 second.
6.
Judges, I know where you live.
Gary Busey, the Al Capone Ballroom.
What's going on?
Okay. So other stuff is going to happen now. It'll be entertaining, and you will enjoy it. So watch it.